Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Sign in and launch Netflix on the device you want to use. Once loaded, pick the title and pause it. This ensures the controls stay visible. Look for the audio and subtitles icon, often a speech bubble, on screen or in the player menu. Tap or click it. This opens the subtitle and audio panel so you can see available languages and accessibility options. Make sure you're on the correct profile because preferences live per profile. Now select your subtitle language from the list. Just click or tap the language to apply it immediately, and the stream will switch without reloading. If the default looks off, go to your profile's subtitle appearance settings to change font size, color, and background for readability. This helps in bright rooms or on small screens. For accessibility, choose closed captions if provided, since they include speaker labels and sound cues. Remember, customization is per profile, so changes stick to you. Resume playback and watch a few lines to confirm timing and legibility. Subtitles should sync with dialogue. If they're missing or out of sync, first refresh the player, switch episodes, or restart the app. These quick actions often resolve caching issues. Make sure your app is updated and test on another device or browser to isolate the problem. If problems persist, sign out and back in, and then, as a last step, contact Netflix support with device and app version details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.